Okay, good morning. It is Monday, June 7th. Let's go look here at the S&P 500. We've got about 5 minutes before the open here. So let's look at a couple of things. So on Friday, to wrap things up, headed into the end of the day, we said to our MAP members that 41 or 42.32 would be pretty important to take out here for what was next. And let's see. So let me just show you this. So right here, taking out 32 is important for higher. And unfortunately, I don't see I'm not sure what time that was, but it was definitely before it happened, I can tell you that. And what happened, high of the day, 42.32. So fast forward now into Globex, we have a CP at 32.25. They probed that by one tick. And then some pretty nice selling that gets down to 14 and then back to 32.50 again. So likely they're not done here. So let's just first things first right out of the gate, 44.75. But there's a couple things we need to get through that 37 to 39 area. 38.25 is the current all-time high. Okay. So minimum for this leg is supposed to be this 44.75. And we really, want to watch in this area as well. So my yeah, okay. So then up here you can see 55 half is 57 key turns. Up here in the 60 area, 65. And if things started to get a bit crazy, we could see here and even a bit more. So that'd be a pretty crazy day though. So let's talk about for a pullback. There's a couple of things here. First things first, let's say we don't want to break this 4200 area really. So would be nice to hold that. If they do break, there's a lot going on down here, kind of just one at a time. There's a little bit of some spacing here, about 8 points or so here, but there's a lot going on right here. So one at a time down there if that were to happen. So of course we have I guess it's just I'll just kind of point out a couple of things here. Not saying that I love it, but I just want you to know that it's there. So there's this little 23 half to 22.25 area. I really don't like it, but it is what it is. It's there. There's this 20, just kind of pointing out these. I'd say like that. And then right here, we're gonna want to watch this. So this 17.25. That would be an area as well there. And then would come down here to this 11. You can see I have this area highlighted down here. So this 11 to 10, maybe giving that a little bit of room down here to about just below '08. If they took that out, it would be 0350. And then down here, this 4200 area, and that would depend on what would happen next there. So up on this other side, we're going to need to take out this. Let's call it 37 to 39 right there. So that's going to need to get taken out. That should open the door for 44.75. If this pushes, let's say 58, what did I say? I said 58.50. So right there, 58.50 or so would be a pausing area. Let me look here. Yeah, so 50, and then we'll add this one in there as well. 51.50, also another kind of a minor in between here. Real important, 44.75. They take that out, should be here. Take that out, should be up into this area. So just kind of all one step at a time. These will likely be just pausing along the way up, unless we do start to see some major selling start to come into the market. So Okay, great. Well, that pretty much covers what I want to talk about here today. We got 5 seconds, I think, until the market's open. So just trade smart, take what the market gives you today, and I'll see you in today's review video. And thanks for being here this morning.